Let's start with pricing, because this instantly shows who Iris and Coconut are really built for. Iris Elements Tax uses a monthly, contract-based pricing model aimed squarely at accountants and tax professionals rather than individual taxpayers. The Tax Essentials plan starts at £10 per month on a 12-month contract and is limited to 5 clients and 1 user, with an additional per-user charge billed annually. This entry tier covers core tax filing but is clearly designed for light professional use. Stepping up, the Tax Professional plan increases to £60 per month, again on a 12-month contract and still capped at 5 clients, but it unlocks significantly more advanced tax functionality. For larger firms, Iris offers a tax enterprise tier with custom pricing, designed for practices managing high volumes, multiple users, and complex tax scenarios. This structure makes it clear that Iris pricing scales with professional workload, not individual usage. Now compare that with Coconut's pricing, which is structured for sole traders and freelancers rather than firms. Coconut offers multiple plans depending on whether you want bookkeeping only, making tax digital support, or full self-assessment filing. The Essentials plan is priced at $99.99 per year, focused on income and expense tracking without MTD submissions. The MTD plan increases to $129.99 per year, or $21.99 per month, adding quarterly MTD updates and end-of-year submissions. Coconut also offers a self-assessment plan at $129.99 per year and a full plan at $159.99 per year, which combines MTD updates with self-assessment filing. All prices include VAT, there are monthly or annual options, and there are no contracts, client limits, or user licensing. This flat, transparent pricing clearly targets individuals managing their own tax, rather than professionals managing others. Looking at Iris features, this is where its professional depth becomes obvious. Iris supports tax returns for individuals, partnerships, and limited companies, with full tax computations and direct submission to HMRC. It retrieves taxpayer data directly from HMRC, supports making tax digital, includes VAT filing, and integrates with IRIS Elements Cashbook for bookkeeping workflows. Higher tiers support complex SA forms, CT 600 supplementary pages, capital allowances, including full expensing and super deduction, dividend feeds, foreign tax credit relief, and advanced asset disposals. Enterprise functionality expands into joint income handling, multiple company trades, asset registers, bulk online filing, multiple HMRC credential storage, CT 600N completion, installment calculations, and accounts production integration. This is compliance-first software built for accuracy, scale, and regulatory coverage. The biggest pros of Iris are its depth, credibility, and HMRC alignment. It's trusted across the UK accounting industry and capable of handling almost any tax scenario. However, those strengths also create downsides. Pricing is expensive for individuals, the interface can overwhelm non-professionals, and the learning curve is steep. For a sole trader filing a straightforward return, Iris can feel like overkill rather than a convenience. Now let's shift fully to Coconut and look at what it offers in real-world use. Coconut is designed around simplicity, automation, and ongoing tax awareness rather than deep professional tax control. It works on both mobile and desktop, with a strong mobile-first experience that appeals to freelancers who manage finances on the go. Users can connect accounts from over 30 banks and credit card providers, automatically track income and expenses throughout the year, and see real-time estimates of how much tax to set aside. Coconut also includes unlimited branded invoicing, expense categorization, and easy sharing with an accountant if professional review is needed. For users under Making Tax Digital, Coconut allows quick and simple quarterly updates and submission of the MTD end-of-year return directly to HMRC. For self-assessment users, it supports filing directly to HMRC without separate software, combining bookkeeping and tax submission in one workflow. The full plan brings both MTD updates and self-assessment filing together, making it particularly attractive for sole traders transitioning into MTD who want one system rather than multiple tools. Coconut also emphasizes transparency with VAT, inclusive pricing, and no hidden fees, which appeals strongly to first-time filers and side hustlers. Coconut's pricing flexibility is also worth reinforcing here, because it plays directly into its appeal. Users can choose annual plans to save money or monthly options if they prefer short-term commitment, with every tier clearly explaining what's included, whether that's bookkeeping only, MTD submissions, self-assessment, or the full combined workflow. There are no client caps, no surprise upgrades, and no add-on charges just to submit to HMRC, which removes a lot of friction for people filing on their own for the first time. Coconut's biggest pros are ease of use, clarity, and predictability. The interface is clean, the setup is fast, and the system is designed to reduce year-end panic by tracking tax continuously. It's ideal for freelancers, contractors, and sole traders who want confidence without complexity. The cons are important to note. Coconut is not built for managing multiple clients. It lacks advanced corporate tax tooling, and it won't suit accountants or firms with complex compliance needs. If your tax situation goes beyond sole trader workflows, you may outgrow it. Looking at public ratings, Iris Software holds a Trustpilot rating of around 3.9 stars based on several thousand reviews, reflecting broad industry adoption, with mixed feedback on usability and support. Coconut holds a Trustpilot rating of around 4 stars from a smaller, but more consumer-focused review base. As always, ratings should be treated as general sentiment indicators rather than definitive measures. An individual experience will depend heavily on use case. Final takeaway: if you're an accountant or tax professional managing multiple clients and complex UK tax scenarios, Iris remains the heavyweight compliance solution. If you're a freelancer or sole trader who wants simple bookkeeping, clear tax tracking, and stress-free submissions, Coconut is the more practical choice. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to try the platform that actually fits how you run your tax year, not just how it's priced.